We're working on this TIG one right now. Oh, my fault. We're working on this Touareg. I love them TIG ones, so them shit's just always in my head. But yeah, we got a steering. We doing the steering wheel column module on it. A steering column module, and I gotta drop this. The module's back there. I ain't never done this before, but it's looking alright. Yeah, as y'all can tell, I already started working on it, but got a couple of the lower panels out. So right now I took the bolts out of this, and I think I got a few more on the other side over there. My plan is to take the bolt, lower this down, and hopefully, I have more room to lower the whole steering column, and then I'll be able to access that module back there, and then I got to do a program. So it looked like it gave me a little bit of room. It dropped down a little bit, so we're gonna see how much room I have once I take out the rest of the bolts out. So let's see. So it looked like my plan worked. Everything went smooth. I'm gonna go through this real quick. I got me a 1/4 inch with an extendo on it, and then I got the T30. There's a bolt, the T30 bolt right in there. I'm not gonna pull it out, but basically that T30 is sitting in that hole right there. And yeah, I just had it on the socket with no extension on it. Cracked it free, got it loose. I got it loose as much as possible, and then I took the socket off, and then I just spun it by hand, and then I was able to pull this out. The new one right here. So we're gonna get this in there, and then we're gonna program it, and then go from there. Yeah, so unfortunately I didn't get a chance to learn how to program it. One of the techs I worked next to, he did it for me. He was originally gonna show me how to program that module, but I didn't work that day, so he ended up finishing that up for me. And he told me it took about like 2 hours to program those modules. They could be tough trying to program, but the next one I do, I'll make sure that I learn how to program it, and then I'll show y'all the process of that. But other than that, man, I really like working. I wish I was working on those Touaregs a little more. They're kind of fun cars to work on. I don't get to work on them as much, so that's why I kind of wish I got a chance to work on those things. But that thing wasn't too bad. I lowered the panels, lowered the steering column, and like I said, I was able to access that steering control module, and everything was smooth. But yeah, like, comment, subscribe, or whatever. The issue that we were having with that car was, the module went bad. It was showing a faulty code on the cluster, and he wasn't able to turn the key to get it into accessory mode, and that was the main problem. I was told to just start with that, and then program it and see what we can get out of that, and everything went smooth.